The call for the United States to ease sanctions on Zimbabwe's mining industry, made this week by the rotating South African chair of the Kimberley process, follows the European Union's decision to lift restrictions on the Zimbabwe Mining Development Corporation. But the US State Department indicated that there were no plans to do the same.
Zimbabwe's adherence to the Kimberley process certification scheme's minimum requirements remains a priority for the United States. We remain concerned about revenue transparency, treatment of artisanal miners, and the freedom of local communities and civil society organizations to operate peacefully in Zimbabwe's diamond mining areas. So we wish to see increased transparency in revenue flows from diamonds.
The EU's actions were promoted by Belgium. The city of Antwerp is one of the world's largest diamond centres. The EU's actions will boost Zimbabwe's tax revenues by an estimated $400 million a year. Some experts here, who advocate lifting general trade sanctions, are still sceptical about whether revenues from the diamond trade would benefit ordinary Zimbabweans.
Well, I think overall the U.S. should look at its issues of sanctions with regard to Zimbabwe. But when it comes to diamonds, I think there is a special link between diamonds and particularly the lack of transparency, the flow of resources from the diamond mines into potentially the military and others who have been linked with human rights violations.
Lifting sanctions on the diamond trade would have a significant impact because the US consumer market has revenues of about $27 billion a year, more than 3 times the revenues of the second largest market, China.